Hello Logitech, this is the G915, the wireless keyboard, and these are the keys in questions, these ones here, the WASD XC, and you see here on shift, yeah, can I get that, yeah, you see, yes. Unfortunately, I don't know what caused this. Every button is fine. Yeah. Other my Logitech stuff are okay. I have here the G Pro as well. The G500. I forgot.
Which one is it?
512. Yeah, I have the 400 as well. I'm not gonna remember. The 413, the Fury 700, and which one was the 703? Yeah, and the Pro wireless. And the serial number. I don't know which one is the serial number, you guys tell me. Yeah, good, fine. Okay, back to the main thing. Let's leave the other Logitech out. So, what I'm suggesting, you guys maybe send feedback to the engineering team of the quality or whatever, painting or whatever, yeah? You can this fix very fast and easily, just rework these buttons. You don't have to throw all this out of the production line. This would be a waste. Focus on the most used keys of the keyboard, because this one's gonna go off. This keyboard is the newest one than these two that I have and the other one I have. These are much more used. Yeah, they are the most used. They are over 1 year. This is like 5-6 months, and they have none of that. No, they are not new. They don't have this kind of paint. This one, you can see. I'm gonna turn the light off. Okay. I need some light. Yeah. So, can I focalize that? Yeah, so you see the paint is going off. So just make new keys for these ones with different paint. If you guys change the paint, these use the paint from the other version to these ones, to these particular keys and this side. Leave the rest as it is, maybe, and maybe gonna be fine. I don't know. I can't tell. I observe these, but these are the problems. And this keyboard is good. It means a lot to me. And it's kind of, I wonder how long until they're gonna fade off completely and gonna look like garbage, these keys. So these are the main problem here. Oh yeah, by the way, you asked me to make a ticket, the number here. Thank you. I'm gonna email you right now. Hope this gets solved.